I'm not used to being this neat. Maybe you need a tickle.
This is not the place for a tickle. Now keep your hands to yourself and choose your soup. Mr. Nessie, you must always cover your mouth when sneezing in the presence of others.
Sorry, Mr. Fussy. That one snuck up on me.
Perhaps these flowers are making you sneeze.
Welcome to the Dillydale Soup Pot. I'm your waiter, Mr. Nervous. Let me start you off with our cold potato soup. It's a catastrophic concoction of coldness.
Thank you, Mr. Nervous. It looks lovely.
I'm not such a fan of potatoes.